and welcome back to Vlogmas. We are on day 16, and since it's Sunday, I am planning my week, and this coming week is going to be my last drive before Christmas. Christmas is a firm deadline, practically set in stone. So I am really going to have to put the pedal to the metal and get things done. So what I wanted to talk to you about today is how I go from one week to the next. So this past week, I didn't get as much done as I had hoped because the week before was really busy. Got a flat tire, all kinds of things went wrong. So I sort of booked myself in really solid. And what happens is I don't always get everything done. So when I finish a day, when the day's over, I'll go and I'll look at my list on my planner and I will circle. You can see the circles there on my planner. I will circle anything that didn't get done. And if I have time the next day, then I'll go back and I'll hit some of those things that are circled. Or if it's actually a priority, I might do the day before the tasks that were circled from the day before I start that day's tasks. What I'm doing now is going through the checklists from my Plan Your Christmas class, and I just put my other Erin Condren planner underneath so that I'd have something hard to write on because I've got them washed in so I can pull them out. And these questions are just to help me and to help you as well if you have these printables to assess your week, what you've done, anything you can eliminate, what's stressing you out, what needs to get done, and it just helps you plan the coming week. Next up, I'm taking anything that's left over from this past week, all those circles, anything that didn't get done, and I'm carrying it over to next week. I'm also going and checking my Christmas to-do list, seeing what's left to do there and adding those things as well because there's lots left to do. There's lots left to do. There's a week left to Christmas. I'm going to get it done. I really am. If not, I'm going to have to eliminate some stuff. Actually, after assessing my week with my printables, I decided that I'm going to have to delegate because a lot of the things that I have left cannot be eliminated. So delegation, and I have teenagers, so I've got lots of help. They just don't know it yet that they're going to help me, but they are. 2 of them are finished school on Tuesday, so I'm going to put them to work. Okay, so I'm going to keep going with my plan for next week. Everything that's left has to get done because Christmas is a firm, unmovable deadline and everything has to get done before the 25th. Once I have everything written in that needs to get done, the actual projects listed on the left side. If you want to know more about how I use this planner, it's the Commit 30. Then I'll link you up now to last Sunday's video, because I go into more detail there. But then once I have those projects on the left, then I will break them down into cross-offable steps. Again, I have a video on this. I'll link that now. And I'll write those steps into the actual days. And like I said last week, I usually don't go past Wednesday, but I know that I have a few things that I need to do on a specific day on Thursday or the weekend or whatever. So I'll add those in as well. For example, the kids have their big band rehearsal on Thursday night, and then the big concert is on Saturday night. So I've added those in. Otherwise, that stays pretty blank and then gets filled in Wednesday. Once I get to Wednesday and I know how much I've got done, hopefully it'll be a lot this week because there's still quite a few things to get done. That's basically how I plan my week, how I carry things over from the week before. Let me know in the comments below how you carry things over from the week before, and let me know if you have any questions as well, because I'd like to clear those up if there's any. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're getting into the last week of Vlogmas, so I hope you will join me for that. We're having lots of fun. We still have lots of Plan Your 2019, including not only why resolutions don't work, but also how you can make them work for you. So you want to be here for that, so make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.